Hello guys, welcome to Jospeh IT again, your technology entertainer. Today I'm going to show you how to extract vocals only or make a cappella from any audio track just by using a simple website online. And I will be doing this using phone. This may be your Android phone or iPhone. It doesn't matter, you just have to use a browser. So first of all, I will be showing you a track in my mobile just by playing. Okay, this track I have vocals and instrumental both in it, and I'm just going to make it vocals only or a cappella, okay, just by using online. So what I'm going to do, simply go back to your Google Chrome or any other browser you have. I'm using Google Chrome, and then simply type on the search bar Acapella extractor, okay, this one, and go there. And when you are there, you'll be able to find this interface, and for free in a week you can make a cappella of 7 tracks. Okay, I already have done 2, so it's showing me 5. Okay, I'm just tapping drop or click to upload your audio, going to files and then audio and the song that I have shown you earlier. Okay, it's just taking the audio from there and it will be processed just within some time. Okay, it is done. Now it's asking me to download the acapella, as you can see on the blue color. Okay, I'm going to download it and it's being downloaded, and as it gives us in WAV form or WAV format, so the file size of the produced acapella becomes a little bit more in size. Okay, you can also make it shorter just by converting from WAV to MP3. It is most probably done. Okay, I'm now just going to play it. Okay, as you can see, it is vocals only, it has no instrumental or the music in it. Okay, it's just vocal. I'm not playing long, it may catch copyright. Okay, and by this way you can also do with yours just by using mobile phone. It may be Android or iPhone. And I hope you really found this video useful. If you really did so, then please hit the like button, share your experience, your suggestions, share this video, and subscribe to this channel of Jospeh IT if you have not. Please inspire us and support us to grow bigger. Hope to see you in my next video tutorial. Until then, goodbye.